Yo, what's up guys? Today I've got another video for you guys. As you might know, the PANDA warehouses have been raided, so you guys are fiending for some reps. And I've got the perfect solution for you guys. The new best way of getting reps is by keepskick.ru. This is a site where you can directly purchase your goods. On this site you don't have the hassle of getting your stuff sent to the warehouse, you just get it straight to your door. Now do mind, it is a bit more expensive than with Taobao, but remember, it's straight to your doorstep and it's one-to-one, meaning it's the same as real. Let's just stop yapping and open the box. Here we have a box for the Dior B30, so let's just open it. As you can see, it comes with spare laces, a receipt, and a dust bag. But we don't really care about those things, we just want the shoes. They even come with the hang tag, very nice. Now these are on the pricier side, coming in at $188, which is a bit expensive, but you have to remember these are one-to-one and they come straight to your door with no hassle through the shipping or anything else. They know how to get the reps into your country, even in the safest countries they still get it in, so please make sure to use them. They have the best shipping and the fastest shipping. Now let's just look at this quality because it's very good.